Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft Java failed to log in invalid session error. First, close the game and the launcher completely. Make sure nothing is running in the background. You can also check Task Manager and end any Minecraft or Java process. After that, open the launcher again and try to log in. Next, make sure you are not using more than one launcher at the same time. If you have any other launcher installed, close it or uninstall it. Only use the official Minecraft launcher to avoid session conflicts. Now, open the launcher and log out of your Microsoft account. Then log back in. This helps refresh your login session and fixes most invalid session problems. After that, check your computer date and time. Go to Settings and then Time and Language Settings. Make sure the time is set to automatic. If your time is wrong, the game may fail to verify your session, so syncing it can solve the issue. Finally, if you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These can block or confuse the login system and cause this error. If you follow these steps, your problem should be fixed, and you will be able to log in without issues. Thanks for watching.